Okay, this is the second part of the video, so let's continue to the next page. So the next question that I'll be doing is question number 20 without using a calculator. Okay, so this is the key here. I need to show all my workings. So work out 2 1/7 divided by 5/9. It'll be easier if I use improper fraction, so let's change 15/7 divided by 5/9. So 15/7, now because I'm dividing a fraction, let's reciprocate it. So I change to multiplication. So to show all my working, so now I can actually cancel this. This will be 1, this will be 3. So now left with 3 times 9/7, which will be 27/7. As a mixed number in its simplest form. Okay, so mixed number, so in this case 21, right? So it'll be 3 and 6/7. Okay, so from 27/7 to change to a mixed number, we can always use the calculator to help us double check the answer. Okay, question number 21. So the diagram shows a right angle triangle. Use the information to write down and solve an equation to find the value of x. Okay, so the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So I know that, so 3x minus 1 degrees plus 4x degrees plus 90 degrees, right? So because this will be 90 degrees, this will be equal to 180 degrees. So let's simplify the equation. I'll have 7x plus 89 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so yeah, so don't forget the degree sign over here. So I'll have 7x degrees is equals to 180 degrees minus 89 degrees, which will turn out to be 180 minus 89. This will be 91 degrees. Okay, so x degrees will be 91 degrees divided by 7, which will be 13 degrees. So x will be 13 without the degree sign. Okay, let's move on. Okay, question 22. The diagram shows a right angle triangle. Calculate the value of y. Okay, so when we have an angle, right angle triangle, and we have a side, two sides to be. Yeah, so I have this, I have this. So we have to use our trigo tuakaso. So 3 of them. So let's name the side first. So this will be the hypotenuse. So this will be the opposite. And this will be the adjacent. So since I have the opposite and the adjacent, what I'm going to use is this, right? I'm going to use tangent for this question. So tangent y degrees is equals to opposite, which is 7.5, divided by my adjacent, which is 12.8. So y degrees will be, okay, arctangent 7.5 divided by 12.8. Okay, always make sure that your calculator is in the correct mode, which is degrees. So 7.5 divided by 12.8. Okay, angles, we always have to leave it in one decimal place. So to be 30.4 degrees. Again, we are just looking for y, not y degrees, so we can drop the degree sign, 30.4. To be clear, I should put one decimal place here. Okay, triangles ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So this is a similar triangle problem. So we are going to look for corresponding side. So calculate the value of H. So the corresponding side will be this and this with H. So let's write the ratio. So 7.2 divided by 8.1 is equals to 5.6 divided by 8.1. Mistake again. Okay, this will be H, yes. So So do a quick check. The smaller one on top, the bigger triangle below. Okay, so the first thing we can do now is to cross multiply. So I'll have 7.2h equals to 5.6 multiplied by 8.1, which will give me a total of 45.36. 45.36, 7.2h. So h now I have to divide by 7.2. So the answer will be 6.3. 6.3. All right, let's move on. A set notation problem. Okay, so this is a universal set. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, all the way to K. Set F is face, FAC. Set B is BACK. Complete the Venn diagram. Oh, so now I have to just put down everything. So let's look for the common elements first. So A and C is common, so let's put it here, A and C. So E will be in set F and B will be and K will be here. So let's mark out what we have. So I have A, I have B, I have C, I have E, I have F, and I have K. So the rest is not in these two circles, so it will be outside. So D and H is already here, so I left with I and I left with J. Let's do a quick check. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm missing G. Yes, G. H, I, J. Yep, I think that will be it. Next, find F union B, the number of element of F union B. So F union B is, let me use a different color, let me highlight it. So F union B is here. Okay, so F union B, I can, at one glance, I know that there's 6 elements inside. So the answer will be 6. All right, great. Let's move on. Okay, next page. At a cinema, an adult ticket costs $A and a child ticket costs $C. Farah buys 3 adult tickets and 4 child tickets for $38.50. So this will be $38.50. Oh, write down another equation. So this will be a simultaneous equation problem. So now we know that 6 adult tickets plus 5 child will be $65. So we write down another equation, 6A plus 5C equals $65. Solve the 2 simultaneous equations to find the value of A and of C. Show all your working. Okay, so first write down equation number 1, 3A plus 4C equals to $38.50. Equation number 2, 6A plus 5C equals 65. Okay, I can see that there's 3A and there's 6A. So I will take the first equation and multiply by 2. So I will have 6A plus 8C equals to 38.50 times 2, which will be 77. Okay, and I'll call this equation 3. So now I have to subtract 2 minus 3. Okay, so I will have 6A plus 5C minus 6A plus 8C, which is equals to 65 minus 77. So make sure I'm doing 2 minus 3 and not the other way around. Okay, so when I simplify this expression, I'll have 5C minus 8C, I'll have negative 3C, and 65 minus 77, I'll have negative 12. From here, negative 12 divided by negative 3, I'll have 4. So I know that my C is 4. I just need to substitute to any of the equations. So C, let me scroll up. Okay, so C is equals to 4, and I'm going to sub it into equation number 1. So 3a plus 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to $38.50. So 3a plus 16 equals to $38.50. Okay, so when I work out 3a, 38.50 minus 16, I'll have $22.50. Then now I divide by 3, $7.50. So A is $7.50. All right, let's move on. Oh, and we have come to the end. Okay, yeah, so just a quick walkthrough again. We have simultaneous equation problems. We have a set problem. So these have to be a bit more tricky because we are looking for number and not just the elements. We have trigonometry, similar triangles. We have sum of angles in a triangle. We have a typical fraction problem, number pattern, number sequence, inequalities, rounding, standard form, probability, total probability equals to 1. We have estimation, mensuration because of the volume over here given the formula. So when we are given diameter, always find the radius first because the formula is in terms of radius. So we have this vector over here, angle properties, alternate angles, sum of angles at a point. We have some basic algebra, simplifying, fractions in simplest form, numbers, smallest to biggest. Okay, and we have this simple arithmetic over here. I would say that this particular paper is not that difficult, and if you find my video beneficial, yeah, you can always subscribe and I will do more. Okay, see you.